I'm most excited about being a part of an innovation in the construction field, having what's taught in university and aligning up with what's actually being used in real-world scenarios. So it's developing our practical skills and having the tools to develop those skills effectively will make that transition from uni life to real-world life very smooth.
We will work together with Octave to implement the first global initiative named Next Gen Builders. So through this initiative, Octave will provide their digital platform and our students will work on real projects, case studies, so they will be able to use advanced tools, advanced technology in order to address real problems. It is very important to expose to students to real complex projects and advance their BIM workflow management and virtual design and construction skills, and advance also their problem-solving skills in construction management and how you collaborate and how you coordinate projects using these digital tools.
This experience is definitely going to set me up for my career, knowing all the information that I need to know, or knowing the solid foundation that I can jump off and expand my learning to further my career. It's invigorating. It allows that imaginative experience and that real world understanding for students that haven't experienced that before. It is very exciting.